Whenever you just feel like having a nice, warm, delicious soup, I gotta say that this is gonna be the one. I made this creamy, cheesy, loaded bacon potato soup, and it did not disappoint. Let me show you how I made this. In my pot, I'm going to be adding in some bacon, and I have one whole package of bacon because I'm going to be saving some for later, but you'll see later on. I'm going to save some of that grease, and I'm going to be cooking my vegetables. I have a celery, onion, and garlic, and I'm going to cook that for about a minute until it becomes translucent. Then I'm adding in some seasonings: paprika, salt, garlic, and onion powder. And I'm going to stir that for about a good minute, and then I'm going to be adding 5 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to stir that until it just really combines together. Adding in 2.5 cups of chicken stock, and I'm going to stir this until it thickens. After it thickens, it's going to take about 5 minutes, so just keep an eye out. I'll be adding in 2 cups of heavy cream and my potatoes. I'm going to have a whole list of all the ingredients down below so that you don't miss out. It was just kind of hard to put it all here in the video. So I covered this for about a good 15 minutes while the potatoes soften. The potatoes are not fork tender. Don't overcook the potatoes because they will be too soggy, and you do not want that. Now I'm adding in a lot of cheese, some of that bacon, and some green onion. I'm going to stir this together. And at this point, I already have my stove off, and I'm going to just let this sit until it thickens, until it becomes nice and creamy. And this potato soup, so delicious. It literally already looks so amazing. It's done. And after it thickened up a little bit, I served it up in this bowl. Added some cheese on top, some more bacon. Of course, you can't have enough bacon. And green onion, and of course, some bread. And look at that. Is your mouth watering? Because, oh my gosh, mine is. I also made some artisan bread soup balls, and I will have that recipe for you, so look out for that. And I added the soup to this, and it was perfect. And now it's time to try what we made. I'm so excited because the soup looks better than the restaurant, to be honest with you. So let's get some potatoes, a little bit of everything. Look at how that just looks so delicious. Enjoy.